Happy Tuesday! How is everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abhilasha Singh. If you're new here, please do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon if you want to see easy breezy makeup, hair, skin tutorials every Tuesday. Absolutely depends if you like it or not, but I assure you it's simple, makes your life easy, and we all need that. Today I am doing a hair tutorial request, which was a sleek ponytail with a lot of hairspray. Well, to break this barrier of a lot of hairspray, you need correct hairsprays. You need correct products so the hair stays in place. This is a ponytail with extensions, and I'm going to show you how to attach them and make them secure so they don't fall off. You're not scared they will fall off. And a shine spray that gives this hair this amazing sleek look. Little tips and tricks on how to keep this hair the way it is for a longer period. And yeah, like I said, easy hair tutorial. So let's begin. For a sleek ponytail, it's extremely important to decide the look and prep your hair. So if you want to do a sleek ponytail and you have fine hair like mine, you need extensions, my friend, because if I'm looking at creating a long sleek ponytail without extensions, that's not possible. So I have these amazing single pieces from Bombay Hair Extension. You see these? I have prepped them by flat ironing them, by spraying this beautiful oil by Vela. Also, the size of it matters. So if one is long like this and the rest are all at an even length, you do not want your sleek ponytail to look that you have put extensions. We have to do a ponytail where, it looks like it's a part of your own hair. So make sure all your extensions are the same size. If you have thick hair, by all means, go ahead and just do a sleek ponytail and do the prep that I will show you later without the extensions. As simple as that. For this look, for a sleek ponytail, it's very, very important that you have a hair that is at least 2 days old, not freshly washed, because your hair will not flatten out. I'm going to take the HAIRSPRAY dry shampoo and very evenly I will spray on the roots. I always do this before any hairstyle because it is 2 days old, so you need to take care of that slight oiliness that happens. You see my movement? The minute I'm going in, I'm blending it in. I am going in and I'm doing this. This dry shampoo has phenomenal smell. Like, it's amazing. The fragrance is just so good. And that's done. Make sure to comb the hair, to take off all the knots. If you have thicker hair and you would like to get a sleek ponytail, I would suggest you to flat iron your hair before creating the ponytail. I am going to be doing ponytail with the extensions and flat ironing it after. You can get clips like these from Amazon. They can be from any brand, but they hold your hair in place. They give you grip when holding hair. I'm going to divide my hair from the front section to the back, from top of the ear. Whenever you do any hairstyle, this will be your first section, because whenever you style your front, it's always different than the back. I'm going to take this part and clip it off. Same thing, I'm going to take this part and clip it off. Now I'm going to take half of the section here, take the other half and just clip it away. Because I have fine and thin hair, I can get away with this little one. But if you have thicker hair, you can get a hair tie like this. And this is also available on Amazon. So I have this part right here. I will take my extensions and just place it there. These are clip-on, so the clip might open up. So what we're gonna do is just secure them with a bobby pin. So wherever you see the pins, let's go ahead and secure them. Perfect. Once you've secured it with the clip, I'm going to take my entire hair right here, and just to create, it's a sleek ponytail, but I just want some volume here. So I'm going to take this hair, take this powder. This is one of my favorite volumizing powders from Sexy Hair, and just backcomb it slightly. You know, this was a request video, and the request was a sleek ponytail with lots of hairspray. My friends, you don't need lots of hairspray. What you need is the correct hairspray, which will hold your hair. So this is one of my favorites, which is called Bedhead. It is one of the strongest hairsprays out there. And also, you have your medium hold hairspray if you want. Not very strong, you have your Kendra. And then for a very beautiful shine, you have your Sexy Hair. And this is a Rose Elixir, which is one of my favorites. I'm going to take the bed head and just from a distance, and comb it through nicely. I'm going to take the hair tie. There you have it. The extensions in the pony, and the hair is ready. Now the front of the hair, I am going to make it a very sleek look. For that, I would need my flat iron. This is a GHD flat iron. Once your hair is 2 days old, you can see automatically, it has a natural oil and it has a nice shine to it. So you don't have to add a lot more hairspray or shine spray. I'm going to go ahead and use the Sexy Hair Rose Elixir just slightly. And I'm going to do a center parting for this. You can do any parting, you can do no parting. If it was a slightly evening look, I would go volume on both the sides. I'm going to go ahead and flat iron this, but because this is just a very sleek ponytail, I'm going to make it center and very sleek. Make sure you put it behind your ear and just sleek it out, both the sides. Once all the hair is in your hand, you just have to take another hair tie. I love these hooks, they grip on so well. And always start from this side, so you have hair that it grips onto, and then I'm going to take one section right here and tie my pony. I'm going to cover the hair tie with the hairpiece. You can take a U-pin and just there you have it. Now comes the finishing part. We have our hair done, we have it sleeked back, and now comes cleaning off the bits so you don't have any small bits of hair visible, flat ironing your extensions with your hair so it's absolutely flawless. I'm going to take my Kendra clear paste. This is a very beautiful gel which is very clear in texture and it's not very heavy. It doesn't have a hard hold, but take a little, put it on your palms, and I'm just going to go, and it adds a nice shine to your hair. Slightly, I'm going to put it on my lovely ponytail as well. So this is how it looks. You have your hair and it is all one length. Now I'm going to take my flat iron and just iron it all together. This is the part if you have thick hair and you have not done so much of hard work of putting in extensions, go ahead and just flat iron your hair. Apply the clear paste so you have a nice healthy shine and your baby hair are taken care of. Finishing this sleek low ponytail with my shine spray from Vella. Remember, the key points are your hair needs to be at least 2 days old or you will have a difficult time for it to sit like this. But also apply dry shampoo so it takes off the excess oil and it does not look that it's not washed. I know small things make a lot of difference. Make sure to do a finishing touch of the hard hairspray so your hair does not move at all, especially in the front part. And this, I guarantee you, will not move whether you've been out for 10 hours, whether you've been dancing, whether you've been sweating, the hair will stay. This hairspray is amazing. So you don't need a lot of hairspray, you just need 1 or 2 hairsprays that are correct. As simple as that. I love how this has turned out. I have my extensions in. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm going to see you next Tuesday with yet another amazing tutorial. Very mini, I'm coming out with mini series to help you break down makeup and understand different parts of makeup and face. So I hope to see you again. Do press the bell icon. Please subscribe and take care till then. Bye.